everybody. Well, this has been an interesting job. You've seen from the previous couple of clips just there, we've been out, we've been making progress. Every time I've come out here, the wind has been awful and the phone on the tripod has fallen over a couple of times. So I've just been cracking on with it. And today, fingers, toes, everything crossed, we could have this side completely buttoned up. Now that would be amazing. It hasn't been too bad, to be honest. I was a bit worried about this job. Didn't know how difficult it was going to be, but just concentrating, just going with it, and it hasn't been too bad, which is nice. I think the best thing to do, let's get you guys over here, show you what I've done. Right, sort of tripod out. Okay, so we've got all the new trim on. I have got to finish welding up, obviously, around the edges. Now, on this material, you do have a lip, which I've tucked up behind. Some people cut along here. I didn't really want to start cutting into the bodywork and having the welds and everything on show. Here, I can grind them back, a little bit of filler. You're not going to see it because obviously we do have the sort of rubber trim that goes along here, and that should hide things as well quite nicely. I'm not saying my work is terrible, mind you, but yeah, it will just help it keep it clean, if that makes sense. So we're just welding in this patch here, and I'm also welding from the inside, which I'll show you. But all the new trims all the way on. Now I know for a fact some of these, because I had nothing to play with, the other one was awful, so I know some of these holes are slightly out. So I know when I put the wing on, I'm going to have to just open the hole up, put a bigger washer on. So it's not the end of the world. I can deal with that. Obviously I've got the patch for this down here, so we will be putting that on shortly. And obviously then I can clean all of this up, treat all of this, stone chip that, but it's not too bad. I'll show you on the inside. I'll try and get a bit of light in here for you guys and girls, I should say. Right, there we go. And yeah, obviously inside here we'll need seam sealing and everything else, and I've just been using bits of trim from the old wing I had, and I've just been making it work. I didn't want to cut, loads of material out if I don't want to. All of this is fine. There is a little blowout there, so I do need to cut that little bit out. I want you guys to see. But yeah, just trying to get the angle. I know you can buy these replacement panels, but again, it's just more money that I don't really have right now to chuck at it. So if I can make panels, bend them in the shape and then tidy them all up afterwards, then I'm going to go for it. It's just what I can do right now. But once that's all rubbed down, seam sealed, it should look pretty good. Let's turn that torch off because I'm running out of battery. Need to get a new torch. But what I'm going to do is I want to crack on. Let's stick you guys about there. Move that bit of rope. And we'll just crack on. Good morning. I apologise, it's been a few weeks since I've been on here. Truth is, this job's just been a little bit fiddly and a bit time consuming. I just wanted to concentrate and get it done. I was a bit concerned that this job was going to be difficult, but it weren't too bad. Like I say, time consuming and just fiddly. But all the welding is done. Now it's the finishing details and the prep work. Got to seam seal everything. I started, run out, waiting for new seam sealer to turn up. Seam seal all of this so we can paint it, and I've just got to sand all the filler down there. I've only put on thin layers just to get the shape, and then we are done, which is great news. And then I've just got to do a few little repairs to the wing. That can be bolted on. Jobs are good. But this is where it's not so good. I'm going to have to do the other side. I'm not going to do it straight away. The car is almost done. It's almost ready for the road. I'm just going to get it on the road, use it, and then when, like, I don't know, 6 weeks school holidays turn up, probably going to take a week off and get the other side done. Just concentrate on it for a week, and hopefully it'll be alright. But let me show you in the boot. It's not very pretty. What I'll do, I'm going to grab the phone off my daughter, who's kindly doing this for me, and she's doing a good job. Thank you very much, darling. I'm going to take over, and let's open this boot, and I can show you what I mean. Okay, look at that. It's not pretty, is it? It's not nice at all. It seems pretty solid down there. That's all service stuff. And then we've got another bodge repair down there, so I'm going to have to do something with that. But yeah, it's not nice. Over here though, all this is all done. Done that repair down there. So literally here, it's just grinding back the welds, treating it, seam sealing it, and we are all done. Obviously I had to redo that hole there. I just got to stick a bit of filler around these little bits here just to get the shape, but I'll do that when I'm sanding down. But yeah, but we have been busy. I had a good friend of mine around who unfortunately has the dreaded cancer, and he's been up helping me. And you know what, I haven't done no filming, I haven't done no recording. I've literally just been enjoying the time with him, getting jobs done, and it's just nice to spend a bit of quality time with him. Don't know how long we got, so times like this you need to make the time just to spend with people and, you know, enjoy it, and that's what we've done. I've loved every minute of it, and it's just been nice. So I haven't really filmed much of that for obvious reasons. I just wanted to enjoy a few weekends and have a good catch up, so that's what I've done. But loads and loads and loads of progress on this old girl, and I mean loads. I'm not going to tell you too much on this video, but if I just say it should be on its wheels by next weekend, and if I give you a little hint, right there, the copper pipe, just take that into account, because we might have breaks. But that's it, I'm not telling you anymore, you can wait. So on the inside I haven't got my keys. My son hoovered it out, so I've just got to grind this repair down here, just tidy up the welds, seam seal that, and then we're painting all of the floor in black stone chip, so it's all nice and done. And then well, let's just say everything can start to be put back together. So we are flying through it. I apologise there isn't much content on this arch. I have got pictures and little videos of me welding and stuff like that, which I will include on this video. But like I say, it's just one of them. I just wanted to concentrate, spend my time getting right. And I think it's come out lovely. Obviously we still got to finish off. And I know for a fact, because I had nothing to work with here when it was all gone, I know for a fact that these bolt holes, they're not 100% in the right place, so I know I'm going to have to maybe drill another couple of holes in the wing and use some bigger washers. It's at the end of the world. No, it's not. You're not going to see it. It's no drama at all. It's just one of those things when you have no material to play with, nothing's there, you're sort of having to guess where it lines up. But it's not the end of the world, like I say. But what do you think, Phoebe? What's your opinion on the car? Is it looking good? Oh, okay, she shrugged her shoulders, so, well, that's charming, isn't it? So, well, I will leave it here, and I will be back with you with a big update very soon. But for now, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon.